Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Fitbit. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about Fitbit. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then this page we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.